First thing we're gonna do is draw a heart, and we're gonna have it a little lower than half of the page. So we're gonna start here in the middle, curve out and down, and try to have that end up right underneath that first dot that you made. We're gonna try to mimic this. It doesn't have to be perfect. At Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for fun, 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 fun. That was a lot of kids yelling fun. Okay, now that is not perfect, but that is just fine. We do have pencils if we wanted to erase it a little bit, or if we wanted to kind of rework it a bit. And I think that line is actually a bit better. Then we can. That's the beauty of having pencil. Okay, so make sure you start with pencil, keep it handy, but also remember perfection doesn't matter. We're just trying to have some fun here. Okay, and we certainly will be having some fun in just a second. Watch this next move. We're gonna draw 4 ovals. We're gonna draw an oval on this side. We're gonna draw a similar size oval on this side over here. Okay, again, doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're gonna draw slightly larger ovals that are just gonna overlap down here. Overlap like that, and then they're gonna go down like that, just about to the bottom of the heart. Then we're gonna put one in here, and it's gonna be similar in size, if you can get it there. Close enough, look at that. Okay. Again, this drawing is not perfect. It doesn't need to be. We're just having some fun. Inside the heart, we're gonna write, I love. You can even use another heart here if you want. For the O. Couple of hearts there. I love Y-O-U. I love you! Exclamation point. All right, now, you might be wondering what it is. You might already know. We're gonna do a circle, or at least part of a circle here, to represent a head. So we're gonna have it go from about here to about here. There we go. Okay, now we have a head, and we're gonna add some ears. Upside down U shape, and across the way here, another upside down U shape. And we're gonna mimic those on the inside to make the ears. Okay, now we're gonna put a big circle here, just like that. It's cut off a little bit. And inside that circle, we're gonna put a nose. It's like an upside down triangle with rounded corners. And then we're gonna do a swoop and a swoop and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now just 2 eyeballs left. One there and one there. And we have an amazing bear holding a heart for Valentine's Day. Let's get an outline on that. Oh, I need to do some erasing before I outline. Okay, outline, here we go. I forgot to put pads on the feet. All right, we're gonna do the little paws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a big one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a big one. These can get colored black. So if you didn't get the size right on any of them, you can fix that now. Valentine's Day bear holding a heart. Hope you had fun drawing along with us. What a great idea. If you didn't do anything for Valentine's Day, you can draw one of these real quick for mom or your sibling, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, your friends. Super easy, super quick. Give it a shot. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.
How are you? How you doing, huh? Oh, yeah, you gotta go and see, huh? Oh, good girl. What a cute girl.